Now, dear students, let's move to the designs of semi-intensive system. Here you have 4 pictures presenting two major realities. The first, poultry house design is mostly adapted to cold climate, whereas these two systems are adapted to hot climate. This is the same as here, just that here is for layers floor system and here is for broilers. Fine. So I want you to observe that here the side walls are open with wire mesh, and here we have a more flexible system whereby you have tarpaulin or any adapted equipment that can be taken down or up or at a desired level to either control rainbow or winds. All right. Now here you have cage systems. We have cage system adapted for layers. It's a semi-automated or automated system whereby water and feed is automatically distributed to animals. Whereas here we have a litter floor system. Notice here we have broilers, and here we have a picture of the inside of the poultry house with equipment including drinkers and feeders. And I want you to observe here various types of equipment for drinkers and feeders. Here we have semi-automated whereby feed can be served, water too, and then animals just drinking or eating. Now observe that the device is made in such a way to avoid feed contamination. You observe here that chicks cannot enter and mash on the feed, whereas here they cannot enter with the feet and contaminate the water. Here you have a drip system whereby drops are directly connected. Here the advantage of this system is that the litter is almost always dry, avoiding parasites and bacteria to develop. Here the picture presents empty poultry farmhouses being disinfected. You can see here one worker respecting the biosecurity measures. You see the boot, you see the head is well capped, and also the eyes are protected. You see the gloves, and it's just spreading inside, whereas here you have another worker who is being exposed, so he's taking care of the equipment and not taking care of himself. So these are two opposite examples of what must be done and what should not be done. So I take this opportunity to come back on the fact that biosecurity measures are not only for the animals but for the 3 main components of the production system, including the farm, the animals and the equipment, the workers and the environment. So all those 3 components must be considered. Okay, now from what was just presented, we saw that vehicles had been disinfected when they enter. We saw that farmers disinfect the feet, but also you need to know that there's a special hole at the entrance of the farm. I hope we'll have one picture to illustrate that. So there's an entrance whereby the workers have to change their clothes, get disinfected, and wear the working equipment before getting into the farms. So dear student, we'll stop here with housing design and hygiene management of semi-intensive system, and take a break before coming for more intensive production systems. Thank you.